go to $5 bet, a couple of them. Let's try it. One more. I got it. All right, we want the 1200. We want the 250 mini. All right, we'll do it. Come on, drop a big one. How about the minor, baby? Minor. I want the minor. Give me that major, minor, mini. How about a mini? Mini, mini, mini.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Okay.
Do it again. Come on. How about a minor, baby? We want a jackpot.
All right, save
That's it. Let's go.
Corner pocket. Corner.
We missed it, but we got a little money. I'll take it. How much did it? They say if it hits on one denominator, put on it. Not always. Oh, I'm gonna have 300. Nice. I love you, baby. What do you say about that?
Well, Pamela, I'd like to see you buy lunch today. Thank you.
I will. I'll do it, I promise. $10. Let's go. Boop, boop, boop. Good morning, everyone. It's 28 degrees outside here in North Washington. Let's get a clearer view of that beautiful mountain, Mount Pilchuck. Look what Jerome just hit. Hey, Jerome. Tell me, what are you going to win today?
I hope the jackpot.
All
Hope
right.
a hand bidder.
Okay, well, all right, let's do it, guys. Yikes. Here we go. Come on, guys. Here we go. Look at what we want. Okay, the Matrix 501. She's got a maxed out right down there. Magic Pearl, but we'll take it. I'm holding my camera. Come on, let's do it. Oh. Do it. Stop. Okay. Da-da, stoppy boo-boo. Stop for me. Peekoo. No thanks. I don't want it. I'm here. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Last one. How about a major? It's only 500, but we'll take it now. All right. So we got $30 or so. 40. That's a good sign. I'll take it. All right, see, I went to 10 cents because that's what she was in.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Try one more time. Just $5, a couple times. We really want the cases. All right, we got $50. I'll take it. Woo. We got 7. Hey, this is good. Come on, let's go, baby. We want to know where those gold cases are. One more. One more. All right, take it up. 10. We did a 2 cent, $5 bet. Come on, can we do another one? Come on, where's our cases? It does not like the cases. No. All right, one more. Come on. No. How about $3? How about 5? No. 2. Try $5, $1 denom one more time. We want the cases, but it's not doing it. All right, guys, go 2. We'll do a couple of 10s. One more 10. Come on, one more. Oh. Not hey, she wants the big balls. So anyway.
Big balls.
Big balls.
Christmas balls.
I want the pearl.
Okay.
So we're at $1 denom, $5 bet. Let's go, girl. Go, go.
Oh, come on.
One more,
Give her
please.
some time.
Anything.
How about that max out major? Oh.
But you're still.
Still in the basement.
Okay.
It's a start.
I think you're gonna get back in.
I hope.
Let's hope.
Fingers crossed. Toast. Yeah. How about that wonderful?
Now,
That,
there we go.
Wow.
Trust at the end would have been very
Come on,
nice.
girl.
Big ball, big ball.
Please, let's go. Oh, 250.
Hey, not bad.
Hey, 250 is just fine. Back there. Let's do 110 and see what happens. All right, that was good.
164.
We have to, when they don't hit on the lower one, we try to hit higher.
I see.
Okay, now let's go down.
Slot savvy.
Say, Daddy.
Get it.
Seems I pulled that.
$11?
Yeah, we'll take it. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's go to 5. Oh, nice.
More diamonds.
Well, we doubled our money. They're not really going in for the old. Come on. Oh, yeah. Okay,
Almost all the way.
75.
Oh, is that right? Cool.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Watching you
Save,
guys.
save that, honey. You want to put my
I'm
bag
gonna
in
sit
it?
in the grand stage.
All right. Oh, 50. This is great. Okay, we want the 537. Green.
Oh, mini time.
Mini baby. And look at the minor. Baby, baby, let's do it.
Oh, she's still playing.
I got a $5 bill. Yeah, go ahead. All right, mini.
Corner.
All right, how about a
Save it.
minor? Minor's 500. I'm ready. Drop it now.
Save
Drop it
it.
like it's hot, please. All right, so we got about 200, right? 10 cents. Go. Well, at least this guy got a little bit. Nice. 10-cent denom, $5 bet. 300.
I want to play for a little bit.
No, not for me.
Shoot, that's all I come up here for.
Yeah, it's not.
We're stingy.
I don't really like the pictures on this one either.
What?
I don't. No, I don't. One more, and then we're out. Okay, now we'll do 12, 6.25 for a minute. One more. Come on. Nope. Back down to 125.
Come on. Yes, thank you.
Oh, she did it at $100, right up there at the top.
I
75
told 50 go by just now.
on $1, $5 bet. Come on, give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. I'm so excited.
Major.
Come on.
Drop down there.
So
I need
much.
some words.
The grand is 15,150. Come
Come
on.
on. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Dropping those pearls.
Well done.
Come on. Keep it going. One more. Keep it going. That's okay.
We got almost 300. Almost 300.
75.
Still good.
Not too bad.
Good. Okay, we're over here, and I'm not doing anything at $1. We'll try 10 real quick. Oh, he's got in 50 cents. And he's having a ball. He's having a ball. Let's do one more time. We may go to the other side. We're on $1. Go to 10. Where is it? Oh, it's just not doing it. One more. No, guys, it's really being bad. I think we're gonna have to leave. Yeah, we are. 110 at a $2 denom. Come on, can we get it? One more, just one more. One more.
Minor.
No, it's not going to do it.
Look at that minor.
I know, right?
3 more balls.
Go, go, go. 30. Okay. One more. Come on. Oh, I don't think so. One more.
Come on, one more.
Isn't that funny? We go one more. Just one
I
more.
think you better get off that over here.
I think you're right. It never did the beautiful. Just try it real quick at $5. One more. No, it doesn't work. Let's do 10. I think we might move over to hers. Come on, let's see. She tried it at $10. Come on, one more. One more. No, guys, that's not going to work. Let's go to 5, and that's it. One go, $5. Oh, that's bad. Ooh. No, let's go to 10. I think it's pretty dead on this side. Come on, can we get? Oh, we got one. Yay, $5. Let's go. All right, $6.45. Minor is $500. The major is $6.45, and mini is $100. Let's get a mini. Minimum. Come on. Oh boy. Oh shoot! I stopped it. I didn't mean that. Come on. This is $5 bet. Don't do that to me. All right. Match. 9.46. We'll take it. One more, please. One more match. Okay, 112, we'll take it. Now go. No. All right, 112.
Oh, I got in, huh?
Yeah. One more. All right, we went to $5. Let's see. I think that's in. Let's go, Gman. All right. All right, keep going. This is Gman, 2 cents, $3 bet. Let's go. Nice, fill it up.
Come on, center.
Give him the 15
Center line, center line.
His major is 675 and the minor is 100. Come on, baby. One more. One last one.
Stay with
Let's
us,
go.
stay with us.
2 times it. So I think we got about 50 plus. It all adds up. All right, guys, 69. Way to go. Do it again. There we go. We got something. 75. Very nice on a $3 bill. Ooh. Oh, nice. We're going to get over 100. Good.
83.
Come on, give it to me. Oh. So I'm betting. He's in again, guys. That's awesome. I love it. Just keep going, man. Okay, we're going to try again. We got a $5 bet. Come on, can we? No. So that's his third bonus since he moved over here. And look at that, guys. Okay, 63. The little lady moved off. Let's try a $1 bet real quick. Come on. Come on, now. It's not going to do it. She did get in a couple of times, but not down here where hubby was. Let's do $5 bet. 7. Come on, a couple. Let's just see if anything happened. Oh, too bad. No, I don't say hit 10 by accident. The other ones, just try a couple of these. One more. Come on. No. 10 cents. It's gone. You guys are gonna laugh. I was down to 35 cents, so I did 50. And I got a minor, 50. I was doing better earlier and then it died. But let's see what we got here. All right. 62. I think it might hit again. We better play a little bit more.
Okay.
Well, I was betting higher and I didn't do well. But I got 30 there. Okay, let's go to 5 real quick. So I went down to 50 cents and I got in. Let's see, what did I get? 15? No, 13. What are you eating there, sir?
This looks like a marvelous chocolate cake that has killer frosting.
It looks like a mousse cake almost. Ah, beautiful. At Resort World, we're at the birthday. He's having some fun here.
Great chocolate.
I think he might have another function going on the 5th. Oh, it's beautiful. We were at his party last year too. Gorgeous, beautiful.
There's a guy in Wizard of Oz.
Nothing more fun in the Highlands. Last year we were at the Cosmo. It was a big party.